quick video on this mess. Old R22 carrier pane unit. Somebody else took the cap out about a year or two ago. You could see their little arc flash up there, and changed this, got it working. Guess what? I have a refrigerant identifier. Very little gas in here. It's mostly leaked out. It has a low charge, but it's not pure R22. It's R22 mixed with some blend gas and about 8% air mixed in. And when you the refrigerant came out, it smells foul, moisture contamination. So I have a mixed R22 contaminated with both another drop in refrigerant and air and moisture. So definitely not gonna, and it's so low on refrigerant. I told the customer this takes nearly 7 pounds of refrigerant. It's not worth me filling this up with a complete charge of R22. Got to find the leak first. Of course, this unit, most guys would say just change the unit, and I'm going to tell them that, but I will give him the option. I've never done Bluon. What's with the Bluon and all these ads? I get hit with 10,000 ads of Bluon. And of course we have Chris talking about it, and Brian talking about it, and HVAC overtime, and everybody's talking about the Bluon. This would be a candidate for Bluon until they replace the unit. It's going to be 106 degrees in a couple hours. So they've been suffering with this for a couple weeks dead, and they're finally having me do it. They had several other people out here trying to do it, and now we're going to fix the problem. First, we're going to find the leak, not just gas and go with R22. As you can see how old my tanks are. I have about 6 or 7 old tanks that I haven't used of R22, and I have about 200 pounds of recovered recycled R22 that I recycled myself. Yes, I have the equipment to recycle refrigerant. That is about it. So let me get on to this ball game here, and let's see what we find out.